Hi guys, happy Easter, happy new month, happy new quarter. It's a triple celebration. You're alive, you're well, you made it into the first day of the second quarter of the year 2024, and you made it into the best month of the year, the month of April. Woo! I'm happy for you, and I hope you've been enjoying your holiday. I hope you've been having a wonderful time with your family, whatever you choose to do to unwind, and just, that saying, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So as much as possible, enjoy the holiday, spend time with your family, get to do those things that usually you're not able to do because of work. This is one time, it's a long holiday, a long weekend, and it's about wrapping up. So ensure that you do that. However, do not forget that it's also the beginning of a new month and a new quarter. So you want to also take time, because you're free, you're not going to work, take time and review your goals from the last quarter. So you had goals, I expect, and I did a goal setting video some time back. So you may want to go back to January and check some of my videos. And I talked about goal setting and how you can go about that, And so if you've not done that, that's something that could be helpful for you. It's never too late. You can start setting out your goals from this quarter. And if you set out your goals earlier, it's time to review them. I hope you're reviewing them monthly, but there are those goals that are quarterly goals. So this is the time to look at them. How far have you gone? Have you achieved them? If you do not achieve them, why did you not achieve them? What can you do to help you achieve those goals? So the essence of goals is not just to put them down somewhere and forget all about them. The essence of goals is to help you and guide you to ensure that those things you want to achieve within a certain time frame, you actually achieve those things. And also take out time to plan for the year, for the next quarter. What are the things you want to do? Do you need to change some things? How does not achieving or achieving your first quarter goals, how does it impact on your second quarter goals? So you want to look at all of that, tweak all of that, and hit the ground running. And I want to leave a word of encouragement to you. I don't know what the first quarter has been like for you, but I know for many people, especially in Nigeria, a lot of people have experienced a lot of difficulty financially, economically, especially. But I want to tell you something, and I want to give you 4 words for that. This too will pass. This too will pass. So whatever, no matter how bad the situation looks, no matter how, you may just be looking back and reflecting and saying, I wasn't able to do this, things were biting hard, this and this, that or the other happened to me. I want you to know that it will get better. Keep positive, remain positive. Don't allow yourself to get into that, discouragement, pity party mode and just feeling sorry for yourself. Don't allow that to happen to you. Whatever your dreams are, keep them alive. It is normal for you to go through challenges before you eventually arrive where you want to be in your career or in your life. So I'm just leaving a shout out to you. I feel you. I'm just sending you love, sending you best wishes, sending you my prayers, and saying that second quarter, I believe, will be better for you. So hold on, hold out, keep positive, and I'll see you at the top, because that is exactly where you belong. Until I see you next time, take good care of yourself and keep winning. Bye.